Good day everyone. We are Group BCJ and our project is titled Balancing the Future, ABL Quiz and SDG4 Quality Education.
Not all students have equal access to education. Some have laptops, fast internet, and complete resources, but others only have paper and pen, and sometimes not even a stable connection. Because of this, some students are left behind even if they want to learn. Education inequality is a real problem, but it's also something we can solve. In computer science, we have the concept of a queue, first in, first out. It is a system where everyone gets served in the right order. No one skips the line. No one gets left behind. What if we apply that idea to education? What if schools and communities make sure that students with fewer resources are prioritized first? What if access to the internet, devices, and learning materials is given fairly, based on need, not privilege? So we came up starting a support program that provides free Wi-Fi, shared devices, and learning spaces. Teachers and schools can also adjust methods to reach students who struggle with access. So, we came up by starting a supporting program that provides free Wi-Fi, shared devices, and learning spaces. Teachers and schools can also adjust methods to reach students who struggle with access. And as students, we can help too, by sharing notes, helping classmates, and raising awareness. A fair system is possible, a system where everyone gets a chance to learn. Because education should not depend on what you have. It should depend on your willingness to learn. Let's create a system where no one is skipped and no one is left behind.